at the house, no heat, Carrier Bryant furnace. Turn it on. You can hear that the blower motor is trying to turn, which is back there. What I'm going to do is check to see if the board is sending power to the blower motor. So, got a connector there. So I went on the heat. It says heat right there. So I connected that to one of my wire leads, testing leads on my multimeter. And then the other one, you can go to neutral or ground. So neutral, or you can go ground to the furnace. So I'll try this to do it. So got my neutral test connected, no power. So no power is going to the blower motor. Makes me think that something's going on with the board. Turn the board over, open it up, and there we go. We have a bad board. And then the blower motor can also be drawing high amps. I would recommend to replace the board and the blower motor, just so the blower motor isn't drawing high amps, as well as the customer said they smelt electrical burning.